Good evening, I'm Lee Anderson. We've confirmed a temporary furlough of several Les Schwab employees across all levels of the company starting Monday. Les Schwab's chief marketing officer tells us the company officials began notifying employees of their initial plans today and will finish those conversations tomorrow. They received this statement outlining Les Schwab employees, roughly 7,000 people company-wide. Company leaders could not confirm just how many of them this will affect, as they're still ironing out the final details of the temporary layoff plan. Although they could not give employees a timeline as to how long this might last, they say the plan is to bring everyone affected back on once business recovers.